Last night we had a real bad lightning storm and blew out my oven control. Nothing works on it, but I have power, and my light still works. So now I have to figure out, maybe it's just a blown fuse, I hope. Anyway, I'm going to have to take it back apart and get to that circuit and find out what's wrong with it. Oh, and my burner still works, so I can still cook with it. Let's look at this schematic. Here's a clock and a timer circuit. It's coming off of the hot and the neutral. I don't see any fuses. The thermostat is down here, and everything is working. Except for the clock and timer. So either that, if I find something in between here opening that circuit, I don't see anything. So I think that the control circuits are bad. So I'm going to start taking the cover off the back. See how to get to that circuit, clocker and timer. Looks like 1/4 inch screws. Make sure I unplug it first. Drop this back panel cover off. Take this off. That's the clock and timer circuit. We've got screws holding it. Phillips. The neutral is red. together was hot. Take that off and look at it. Now I'm going to remove this clock circuit, timer circuit, and inspect it. Remove these wires first. Red is marked. The ground wire. Oh, it's cracked. I have to glue that. Now I'm just going to plug the oven back in. I got my meter hooked up to wires going to the timer circuit, and just see if the wires are good and I'm getting the voltage. So I'm getting my 120 volts, so the wires are good. So I don't see any broken parts, and I don't see any burnt spots. So the circuit board looks good. Maybe clean these. They look clean, but I'm going to take an eraser and clean them more. I'm going to plug it in, see if it works. It's working now. I guess there's just a little bit of corrosion on that terminal. Good, I don't have to buy more parts. Now I'm just going to put everything back together. Forgot the ground screw. there. Put this back on. Finally. I can plug it in and put the oven back in place. Alright, I have my clock and timer installed again, and it's all working.